Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about Natrum which is very important remedy for mental affections, for anxiety, melancholy, unrequited love, disappointed love. This is a very deep acting remedy which act at the mind level and cure the patient. Very important for practice purpose, for exam point of view. And at the end of this lecture, there are very important Kent rubrics in which Natramure is the only remedy. So please like, share and subscribe. So let's start with the Natramure today. Natramure, the common name for this remedy is common salt, that is NaCl. Generals of this remedy: the individual having habit of prolonged taking excessive salt which causes nutritive changes in the body. तब ये पेशेंट को सॉल्ट ज़्यादा खाने की आदत होती है और इसके वजह से पेशेंट एनीमिया से सफ़र करता है. सो द पेशेंट इज़ एनेमिक. थर्ड इज कंप्लेन अराइजेज फ्रॉम लॉस ऑफ वाइटल फ्लूइड, प्रोफ्यूज मेंसेस, सेमिनल लॉस और मेंटल अफेक्शंस. There is great emaciation, losing flesh while eating well. Throat and neck of the child is emaciated rapidly during the summer complaints. The skin is shiny, pale, waxy, look as if greased. There is great liability to take cold. Natrimure patient is irritable. If child is crossed when spoken to, crying from the slightest cause, great into the passion about the trifles. कंसोलेशन एग्रीवेट्स द सिम्टम. दिस इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट क्योंकि ये सिर्फ नेट्रम्यूर में देखा गया है वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली एंड वेरी पिक्यूलर सिम्टम इन द नेट्रम्यूर. दिस कंसोलेशन एग्रीवेट्स द सिम्टम. Now let's study the mind of Natramure. Natramure have weeping alternate with laughing. This will be followed by tearfulness, great sadness, joylessness, no matter how cheering the circumstances are. Consolation aggravates the state of mind, sometimes brings on anger. Means अगर कुछ भी मेंटल सिम्टम्स हो और हम उसे कंसोलेशन करने गए, मतलब समझाने गए, तो उसके सारे सिम्टम्स बढ़ जाते हैं और उसकी वजह से कभी कभी पेशेंट को गुस्सा भी आता है. ये बहुत ही पिक्युलर सिम्टम है जो नेट्रम्यूर में ही पाई जाती है. थर्ड इज अनप्लीजेंट अकरेंसेस आर रिकॉल्ड एंड शी ग्रेव्स ऑन देम. हेडेक कम्स ऑन with melancholy, with great prostration of mind. Last is unrequited affection brings on complaint. She is unable to control her affection and fall with the love with the married man. She knows that is foolish but lies awake with love for him. और ऐसे पेशेंट को जब नेट्रम्यूर दवा दी जाती है तब ऐसे पेशेंट वो माइंड स्टेट से वापस बैक आके ऐसा सोचते हैं कि ये कौन सी गलती हो रही थी जो ऐसे सिम्टम्स उसमें डेवलप हुए थे. दैट इन केस ऑफ दिस काइंड व्हेन नेट्रम्यूर इज गिवन इट विल टर्न द माइंड ऑन द ऑर्डर एंड शी विल लुक बैक एंड वंडर व्हाई शी वाज सो सिली. दिस इज द important case with the Natramure which is frequently found in the practices. Now headache of the Natramure. Natramure suffers from the headache where there is anemia of the school going girls, headache from the sunrise to sunset and usually left side का headache होता है, half headache होता है. Migraine symptoms are very important in the Natramure patient. The pains are as if bursting with red face, nausea, vomiting. Headaches are usually before and during the menses. The sensation is very peculiar in this Natramure patient. The headache sensation are thousands of little hammer were knocking in the brain. The headaches begin with a blindness, with zigzag, dizzying, with lightening in the eyes, followed by throbbing headache. The headache by eye strain. आई स्ट्रेन मीन्स अगर स्कूल चिल्ड्रंस है वो ज़्यादा पढ़ लिए रात के टाइम पे डिम लाइट में, उससे आई स्ट्रेन होता है और उससे इन बच्चों में हेडेक पाया जाता है. आई कंप्लेंट्स ऑफ द नेट्रम्यूर: फील ब्रूइश्ड, हेडेक फ्रॉम आई स्ट्रेन ऑफ स्कूल गोइंग चिल्ड्रंस, टीयर स्ट्रीम डाउन ऑफ द फेस ऑन कफिंग, hay fever, the sensation as if small worms in the nostril. This patient, natramute patient, have the peculiar symptoms during the hay fever, that is, small worms are in the nose, brought on by exposure to hot sun or intense summer heat. Tongue of the natramure. This is very peculiar and practically found on the patient of the natramure, जो हमारे क्लिनिक में रेगुलरली देखा जाता है कि natramure पेशेंट की टंग बहुत ही पिक्यूलर है. Tongue is, there is sensation of hair on the tongue. The tongue look like map tongue with red insular patches, like ringworm on the side. Heavy difficult speech. Children are slow in learn to walk. Now we will see the constipation of the natramure. There is sensation of contraction of the anus, bleeding, smarting afterwards the stool. Stools are dry, hard, difficult, crumbling, stitches in the rectum. Involuntary, nose not when flatus or feces escape. Urine of the natramure. Involuntary when walking, coughing, laughing. Has to wait long while others are present. मतलब नेट्राम्यूर पेशेंट किसी के प्रेजेंस में कभी यूरिन पास नहीं कर सकता, उसे डिफ़िकल्टी होती है. ये भी बहुत पिक्यूलर है जो नेट्राम्यूर में ही पाई जाती है. सेमिनल emission soon after the coition with increased desire. And in female complaint, there is prolapse of uterus, there is bearing down pain with which aggravate during the morning. There is leukorrhea, acrid and watery. Heart complaints of the natramure. There is tachycardia, sensation of coldness of the heart, constriction of heart, fluttering, palpitating, intermittent pulse, heart pulsation, shakes the body, intermits lying down. Natramure patient suffers bad effects of anger, acid food, bread, quinine, excess of use of salt, grief, fright, vexation, mortification, reserved displeasure, and natramure is also aggravated in the seashore. Fingers, hangnail, skin around the nails are cracked, wart on the palm of the hand. Dreams. This is very peculiar dream of the natramure, that dreams of robbers in the house and on waking will not believe till the search is made. जब नेट्राम्यूर पेशेंट को ऐसे सपने आते हैं जैसे चोर घर में आ गए हैं, और जब वो उठता है तब उसे बिलीव ही नहीं होता है कि ये सपना था, और वो पूरे घर देखता है कि सच था या सच में चोर है घर में या फिर वो एक सपना ही था. The skin of the natramure is herpes around the anus or on the border of the hair and nape of the neck. Fever blister like pearls on the lips. Lips are dry, cracked, ulcerated. Urticaria from violent exercise. Alopecia, eczema, raw, red, aggravated by eating salt or at the seashore. Fever of the natramure is still between 9 to 11 am. Violent thirst, fever blisters, coldness of the body, and continued chilliness is very marked in the natramure patient. Now we will see the aggravation of natramure is at seashore, sea air, heat of the sun or stove, mental exertion, consolation, talking. And amelioration is from open air, cold bathing, going out without regular meals, lying on the right side. Now we will see Kent's repertory rubric study. These are the important rubrics from the Kent repertory which indicates the natramure patient. It will be very important for finding the patient with the natramure. It is very frequently seen in the patient in the practice. Mind. First, we will see Kent's repertory in mind chapter, anger, consolation when the remedies are natramure, other is arsenic and chamomilla. Second, in the mind chapter, there is rubric company aversion to, presence of people, intolerance to her during urination. The single remedy is natramure. Third is in mind chapter, there is indifference alternating with anxiety and restlessness. Only one remedy is natramure. Fourth is mind, love, silent grief. Natramure and other remedies are ignitia, phosphorus and phosphoric acid. Fifth is mind, love ailment from disappointed. Natramure is one of the remedy. There are many other remedies. Sixth is in mind chapter there is love sick with one of her own sex. That is natramure, and there are many other remedies in this rubric. So this is all about natramure. with all the important rubrics from the Kent repertory. So please, if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.